Hi, Judd here. The day continues. We're going to do a root canal. This is basically, I don't know if you can see it, it's basically a little router bit on my Ryobi rotary tool. And I'm going to do a root canal on the wood in the rotted places and see what I've actually got, see if I can get away with patching with some wood hardener and some wood bondo and also some special spray to kill any of the fungus of the dry rot. So the first step is the root canal. Okay, it's not bad. It's interesting in that it's not the whole area gone, but there were like lines of it throughout the wood. And it did go across from the top piece into the upright. Okay, there's more in there. It very definitely followed a very slight split in the wood. So that's where keeping up with the paint would have helped. A little more in there, more in there. Yeah, really good. Okay. A little more in there. Alright. Now I wonder if it's possible to show if you can see what I'm seeing. Yeah, I think you can. Yeah, okay. So you see I've gone into the vertical 2x, although mainly I'm on the horizontal, the railing. Okay, that'll give you an idea of what I did. That's the easy spot. Then I got this spot, and then over there I've got a huge intersection of several boards. So that's going to be the real test of this. But I think that is ready to be addressed with disinfectant of a special type made for this, wood hardener and wood filler, the Bondo type wood filler. It's not Bondo brand, it's Minwax, but it's the same thing as Bondo. You know what I mean if you work with wood. Okay, so hole 2, and you see how rotted that is, and listen. Can you hear that? Hear that hollow sound? Okay, so that's coming out to here, up to here, so we get about that much, at least. Okay, this one's all undercut this way. Okay, that feels good. A little more up here. Wow. Yeah, that looks good. All right. Now that little spot turned out to be much bigger than I thought. Okay, but you hear there's no bad sounding wood there. Okay, so 2 spots ready to go. Over here we're dealing with a much more serious situation. We're coming right through the top and around the corner. The only thing left there is the top surface of the wood, and in here, and it's coming around into there. Again, it also goes into this and into this and into the 2x4 coming over under this. Wow. You can see the stuff that just fell away at touch without any real grinding to it. That's funny, that's still solid wood there, and that little piece is solid, but all between it, gone. It's like these fungus or insects or whatever the hell's going on in there know when to get to when to stop before they expose themselves, so they can hide for the maximum length of time. Well, we'll come back in here, okay. Oh, I got a screw there. Aha! Okay, there's a screw right there coming up this way, so that's how these are attached. Okay, I gotta go on the underside of this now. Oh, you know what? I gotta get that nail out of there. Ah, damn it, that one won't go. Okay, I'll have to plant that in more. This is a marvelous tool I got at a closeout once. Spring loaded. It's got a point on one end and a nail set on the other. So you can mark steel where you drill, and you can tap in a hard to get at nail head instead of using a nail set. Get it right out of the way. Well, I'll tell you, that's looking pretty good. Want to take a peek? There you can see, it's looking pretty good. Looks like I got mostly solid wood up in here. And there's a big screw running right through here. Okay, and I think that might have been one of the causes, even though it was sealed up and everything. Okay, that hole goes right into it. But you can see it's totally sealed. Oh, there's two screws. They're totally sealed, plugged and sealed. Okay. There's from there. But, as you can see, there's still enough structure left on everything, because these boards are not structural. They're just armrests, basically. So, that's fine. This is structural, this is structural, and all I lost was a corner of this, and half an inch, 3/4 maybe at the deepest point of this. So I think this can all be repaired. So the next step is to mix up the magical secret formula for treating this wood. Boric acid and something else, and you got to boil stuff and and then spray it on. And then use the wood hardener, although I've gone down to good wood everywhere I could, but in case I missed any spots. And then put in the Bondo. And then paint that mother. Paint, 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 paint. Okay. That's it for the moment. Happy day to you.